Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a very long time since I've seen you guys and he's seen you guys. It's been about, I think, 8 months now. I'm really sorry about that, but yesterday I bought myself a car finally, and it's sitting right over there. But before we get to that, I wanted to explain to you guys what exactly happened to the old piece of shit that I had last time. I know he gets really mad at me whenever I curse. So basically what happened is whenever we installed that manifold, did we make a video on that, by the way? Okay, so anyway, I installed a manifold inside of my 02 Honda Civic, the DX that I had. And right after that happened, a manifold the engine light started going on, the maintenance required light started going on, and everything just started going wrong. I don't know why. The only thing I know is that either my head gasket blew or my block cracked itself. So I guess I was putting way too much airflow into that car and that it wasn't meant to have. But now I got this car. It's still a little bit of a piece of garbage, but hopefully we can get it set up to the point where we're happy with it and you guys are happy with it.
It's much nicer than the old car, though.
Yes, it is.
He says piece of garbage because he himself is a piece of garbage.
No, I'm not a piece of garbage. But the car is a little bit of a piece of junk. It needs a lot of work. It does need a lot of work. But I figured it would be a good project for us and something that'll keep us busy and keep the channel running. So on that note, here is the car. Alright, without further ado, I know you guys have been waiting for so long to figure out what kind of car that we bought, but here it is.
Okay, guys, that's the car, obviously. I mean, if you didn't know that, you wouldn't be here. But we're going to start by changing the oil. I actually got a lot of comments saying that they didn't know how to change their own oil. So we're going to start by teaching you how to change your oil. It's a quick, easy thing to do, and the car needed an oil change. So we'll be back after that.
Alright, so I had to take off my bumper off the car, as you can tell from over there, okay? Because the car is so low, I can't get the jack to fit underneath the car to the frame. So you gotta take off the bumper, especially if the car is low. Yeah. Alright, so now that we're underneath the car, what we're going to do is, this is your oil pan. Okay, it should be right underneath the car. Alright, and you're going to see right here, here's your drain plug. Alright, what you're going to do for the 02 Honda Accord, the LXs, it's going to be a, which size did you say? It says 17 millimeter?
Yeah. 17
millimeter socket, and you're going to loosen that up.
Mike. That's not coming off. Hold on. Alright, so after you pull out the drain bolt, it's all just gonna flow, and you have to make sure to have an oil pan under there, or else it's just gonna go all over your driveway, and you're gonna hate yourself for that one. But we had to get a hammer because it did not want to come off, so that's why that's there. We're just waiting for it to leak out, and then we'll update you back when we're taking off the filter.
Now, your oil filter will be right over here. I don't know if you guys can see that at all. I can't really see anything, but it'll be right here. The thing that I'm touching right there. You're going to want to untwist that and be careful because there's going to be oil that's dripping from that, even though you just took out all the oil from the pan. Okay, just so this way you guys know, whenever you're done buttoning everything up, make sure that you put everything tight. Don't put it too tight. Put your filter on, put the drain plug on and everything. And just this way you guys know, instead of you having to go ask them from AutoZone, you can put, it's an S2808 filter, and you get a 520
for this car.
For this car, for the 2002 Honda Accord LX. So it's got to be a 2.3 liter VTEC engine. Now,
we had already put the filter on. It was just really hard to record that.
Put the oil in. It gets all 5 quarts.
Alright guys, so here we are, about 2 days later. I'm editing. I just noticed we forgot to record an outro. So I just want to say thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button. Thanks for watching our new video. Thanks for seeing the new car. We have big things planned. Look at the name. Alright, have a good one, and stay frosty.